are surprised. Di bang nagulat sila na Rainer Shine is in the mixes. Alex Rulis, the rookie, getting to start here.
Down in few teams that really had a definite shot.
Nakakalimutan natin, nandyan si Kate tsaka si Jeff. Jeremy uncorks top of the key and red hot shooting for a red hot team dito sa opening quarter. Belga and Junmark. Kasi hindi na nga inintindi ni 5. Jeff on the move. Drop pass to Belga. Nice value. Lassiter to Ross. Ross against Jerick Ting. And Ross will score. There's a shot blocker. And he blocks Arwin. But Arwin is there. Put back 2 points. Comes off the bench. Play top defense. Push the ball.
And if you're Rainer Shine, you gotta make sure that you get him out of his comfort zone. You gotta keep him in a half court.
We're all tied at 28. 10 points lamang ng Rainer Shine. And Norwood gives the lead back. Jerick Ting. Jerick, I may not have Jaron's muscles, but I'm already. It's an underrated part of Jeff's game. He fires and scores. And he's always said that. Na lahat ng tao alam, 3-point shooter siya. Pero alam din niya na, hindi masyado napupunan. He actually plays top defense.
And you can't not play top defense if you're in a Coach Yang team. That's part of it.
Alley-oop! Most but not quite. Si Larry Rodriguez sa tawagan ng kanyang second personal foul. Rainer Shine now in the penalty. And the owner of the best Instagram account in the world. June fired to Abay, that's Abay22. ABAI22 on Instagram. If you're not following him, you are missing half your life.
Could have had like a selfie, nakahiga, paside ka ni. Bukas ko, nagulat ko.
Kulang na lang, may teddy bear eh. PA Liver Lover with Liberate Silymarin Capsule. It's Liver Lover, boy. Chris Chu now in the ball game for the first time para sa Rainer Shine. 7 minutes na nakita dito sa second quarter. 13 to shoot. Chris Chu against Petron. Rodriguez, second shot. Lux attacks. Rebound, pushing the ball with so much purpose here. Hook pass, Almasan against Kraken. Outside, Ibanez. Yes, sir! That's a 3.
To gamble with that outside shot of the big man.
4-on-1 break. PY and Jeremy will finish the fast break. Beautiful pass. Ruiles. Hang time and my hands getting in the way. Pero Rainer Shine, nakuha muli ang bola. Here's Ruiles. Ruiles wanting to attack again. Drop pass to Almasan.
Lots of assists already para dito sa Rainer Shine, and especially here in the quarter. Already with 12 so far total in this game.
Lee on the move. All the way!
And he's taking up the challenge. Every time nakikita niya si Arwin, ina-atake niya talaga. Walang takot. No fear in the eyes of Paul Lee.
12 points for Paul Lee with 7.5 remaining in the third. Rainer Shine to pull away dito sa third quarter. Because of our vantage point, Jason, every time Rainer Shine goes down, nakikita natin yung facial expression nila, body language, and just yung Aranya has the ball. Again, 3-on-2 break. Aranya to Ruiles!
Frustration to see this nice pass on the part of Ryan Aranya. Ruiles just goes up, and almost a dunk.
Sinisap ng Rainer Shine na napibigyan sila ng chance to shine tulad nila Raymond Almazan and Jerry Ting at sinusuplihan daw nila.
3. Rebound Arwin. Lutz. Rough night for him. He scores first 2 points of the ball game. So 8. Third double-double. Here's that play.
You see almost in, not quite.